it is an international language testing system powered by IDP to assess the level of candidate. My name is Jasprit Kaur and here I am to assess the level of candidate number 111169. Shall we start? What is your full name?
My full name is Ranveer Kaur.
How may I address you?
I will be very glad if you address me by my first name, Ranveer.
Okay, Ranveer, do you like your name?
Yes, definitely I like my name because it gave me by my mother. That is why it is very close to my heart, and that definitely I like it.
Okay. Why do people change their name in your country?
In the contemporary era, many people changes their name, and it is in a war. Mostly people change their name according to their different mentality and preference, because sometimes they do not like the names because sometimes they want to be changed as like a surname that is do not suit their personality.
Okay. Okay, let's talk about hats. Do you like to wear hats?
Yes, I definitely like to wear hats because it protects from critical conditions of weather, like sometime from winters and sometime from summer.
What kind of hats do you have?
Mostly I have enormous cats in different types of brands, but mostly I like to wear hats that are very simple and that are colorful and that are very short.
Where do you like to buy hats?
Mostly I visit a shopping mall while purchasing different types of hats. Shopping malls provide different kinds of hats according to different mentality and preference of people.
Is wearing hats popular in your country?
Yes, well, it is a very popular in my country to wearing hats because mostly people run towards the Western culture. In the Western culture, mostly people like to wear the hats, so that is why in my nation people also wear the hats.
Okay, so this is the end of part 1. Now for part 2, here is a cue card and you have only 1 minute to look at the questions, and you can use paper or pencil to make your notes, and you have only 2 minutes to speak on that topic if you wish. Okay, and your cue card is: describe a time you noticed a group of people smiling. Okay, you may start now.
Yes. There are many occasions when I see a smile on the different types of people on their faces. Today talk about an occasion when I see a smile on people's face. In the last week, I joined a competition. It is regarding the dance competition. It is many candidates that are participated in that competition. It is age limit was 18 to 20, and mostly the preference was given by the girls. The dance competition is as a solo or as in a group. When I noticed that there are many types of candidates, like they are not physically appear to part in competition, but they also put their efforts. I saw that a girl that is handicapped, their feet are not working properly. But when I saw that when I saw her performance, it was a very enjoyable and amazing. I saw that she looks like a fairy in the competition. She put different types of steps in the dance, and she do a dance as a solo. It was a very beautiful moments for me. I see many people are very happy after watching the performance of a girl. When the result time was near to announce, I saw that there are many candidates. Their announces of name is announced by judges after judge the performance of different candidates. I saw that that girl that was disabled in their physical appearance. He was rewarded, and she got also first prize in that competition. After the struggle of their life, she gave a speech about their struggle of life, how they survived their life with this disabled ability.
Okay. So it is the end of part 2. Now it's time for part 3. That is a follow-up question. Now I will ask you some question related to your cue card. Okay. What are the most common things that make people smile?
Mostly there are many events and things when people make us smile, like in the weddings, birthday parties, ceremonies, and when they fulfill their needs and when they accomplish their goals and desires, they feel very happy.
Okay. Do you think people who smile more are more friendly?
I personally believe that people who smile more are very friendly with another person, because they are very open-minded and their heart is very kind, and they are very loyal, and they are very frank to speak another person.
Why do you think the smiling pose is so common in photos?
I think it is very common to look a smile on their faces in different types of photographs, because it is a memory of a precious moments, so the people can give a smile while they click a photographs.
How do you feel when children smile?
I feel very happy, and it gives me a very pleasure, because people are very innocent, and they gives a happiness to another person.
Okay.